What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Cookmate with another fantastic recipe. Today we will be preparing beans bhaji. So without any further delay, let's roll the intro. Add 2 cups of water in a pressure cooker, throw in all the chopped beans and give it a whistle, just one, not more than that. Or you can even boil it just like that, without a pressure cooker. This is going to be a blanching process. For this, let's throw in a handful of spinach into the boiling water and let it sit there for about 2 minutes, not more than that. And then immediately transfer it to a cold water and set it aside. By doing this, it would remove the raw smell while still retaining the color of the spinach. If you're not a big fan of spinach, you can replace it with a different leafy green. Anyways, let me know down in the comments what is your favorite besides spinach. Now let's fire up a pan and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil, followed by mustard seeds, cumin seeds and black gram, aka urad dal, and fry them on a very low flame until they pop out and the aroma breaks out. Now add a few cloves of garlic and fry it until the raw smell finds its way out. Now 4 to 5 dry chilies in, followed by some curry leaves. After roasting them a bit, it is time for us to add our chopped onions. I've taken about a 2 medium size and chopped them. Now add some salt to bring out the moist out of these bad boys. Keep frying until the onion turns slightly brown. It seems like our onions have turned slightly brown. Now is the best time to add our boiled beans and give it a mix. Now add the spinach and cook for about 2 minutes. Despite greens and veggies being high in nutrients, most of us still do not like to eat is because of the flavor. It has that green, earthy flavor to it. To make this recipe taste even more better, we would be adding black-eyed pea to it, aka lubia. Cook this for a minute or two, and then let's finish it off by tossing over some grated coconut. Come on, who does not love coconut? Give it a good mix, and yeah, that's about it. We are finally done with our healthy and delicious beans bhaji. I've also broken down the detailed recipe in the description down below. Go check it out, cook and enjoy. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments what recipe you'd like to see in the future. And don't forget to subscribe. The Cookmate is all about inspiring, helping you cook and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.